पिछले एपिसोड में हम देखे तकदाह और तिनचुले के कुछ हसीन नज़ारे, एक रोमांचक ट्रैक और मिस्ट्री भी। और इस एपिसोड में भी हम देखेंगे ऐसे ही कुछ नज़ारे। सो लाइट कैमरा एक्शन। तो नॉर्थ बंगाल में आपको क्या पसंद है? पहाड़, सुंदर नज़ारे या फिर मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे? क्या आपने ऐसे नज़ारे देखे जैसे हमने देखे? तो चलिए एक साथ देखते हैं। For a Bong Women's itinerary presents.
Guys, I'm showing you the morning view. It's so beautiful. Good morning, people. Having some morning tea. And ta-da! Guys, this is day 2 of TINCHULEY and we are having our breakfast ready. All set to go for sightseeing and we are having some Tibetan breadsea with a bit of honey. That's my honey. Guys, I'm at the kitchen of Gurung Guest House and see these are all organic vegetables. And here's where the main cook of Gurung Guest House. Please say your name.
Auntie, easy.
You really make very good Cameroon.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Show your tattoo.
This is my dad and myself, and this is my mom
Such beautiful tattoo.
together.
Very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
So this is Mr. Gurung of Gurung Guest House. He is so good in hospitality and he sings a good song and plays guitar. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
I'm just going out for the sightseeing at TINCHULEY. Yesterday we went the whole way around there and went down and took those shots. So we walked the whole way as we're going for the sightseeing through the same route. I don't know, but that's the where it is going. That's the Kanchenjunga there. A bit can be seen in between all. the Nirmal spots. It's really good. The organic things are being bought.
জম্বি অ্যাটাক করেছে।
We have got some people with us and we are climbing some steepy way up. फुल रहा है 10 मिनट तक चल रहे हाइक पे।
शहर में रह के हम शायद ही सोच सकते हैं कि पहाड़ के बीचों बीच ऐसा सुनहरा गांव भी हो सकता है।
We are just in between the village that we hiked up. It's really high and we discovered we just in between the village and it's eto সুন্দর, it's so beautiful.
So beautiful. সত্যি খুব সুন্দর।
We just want to stay here
সারা জীবন
forever. It's so good. What are you doing there? Don't go there.
Big snake.
Just see the view. Oh my god. Just see the view here. It's so good. We are walking and completing this hike. It's just the TINCHULEA village that we are hiking. It's filled with so many trees, like we are seeing so many different types of flowers, cardamom and farms and also organic. Here near about 17 to 18 families stay here.
So it's the end of the hike and it's very deep.
It's getting really cold. Right now it's now evening and see the view right up in the back. We're just walking and it's insanely beautiful, but my hands are not working anymore. The day is hot, but as it goes towards evening, it gets really cold and I'm feeling too cold right now.
Hey, today is day 4 in TINCHULEA.
तिनचुले में आके ही हम महसूस किए पहाड़ का एक अलग सा ही जादू, एक अलग सा ही अपनापन है।
I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. Beautiful land of this, darling, you look perfect tonight. Thank you.
Guys, we're at the end of the hiking and this is our last day at TINCHULEA and tomorrow we'll be leaving for LAMAHATTA, another beautiful hamlet. So meet you tomorrow while we will be going for LAMAHATTA. So till then, bye bye. These two are my bhai here in Gurung guest house. They have done so good work. Height में छोटा है लेकिन काम में बहुत बड़ा है। Walking on the roads of Lamahata. Guys, we have just arrived at Lamahata, and just after reaching Lamahata, a bad thing happened that we left our tripod that we are carrying. You left it. We left our tripod in our car and the car went away, and after like about 15 to 20 minutes we realized that we have left our tripod in the car. So we have to pay some extra money for the car to return and give back our tripod. So we are a bit sad, nothing to do. Hello. Say hi. Hi.
It is good.
At Lamahata Park, having the ticket to enter the park. This is the ticket and we are entering the park. Guys, you see the view behind, it's so good. We have to go more 5 to 10 minutes up there. Guys, we're sitting there to take some rest and again going up. I'm feeling so very hot. For it's like again a hike near about, and we're going more up. हम at last तालाब तक पहुंच गए. Oh God, that's the pond. It took us near about 25 to 28 minutes guys up. We sat in between, drank some water also. So it will take you near about 20 to 25 minutes if you can continuously come up. And here, something you should remember, that no use of plastics guys. So the place is so good, so organic and so filled with nature. So we should not throw here plastics and other wastes and just make the place dirty. We are at the end of this trip and at the end of the vlog also. So I'm getting a bit emotional. Today is the last day of the trip and we are leaving for NGP. It will take us near about 3 hours to go back to NGP. So it's the end of the vlog. See you guys in my next video.
Please
Till then, like, share and subscribe.
please.
We worked really hard in between our trip and the trip was really good. We spent really good time here and so we're going back.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Love you.
Bye bye North Bengal. I really miss this place and will again come here. Goodbye.
Kanchenjunga